Alright, it's day 2 in Australia, and me and Luke's wife, Tiana, we are about to go and meet Luke to go drive some drift go-karts. And look at what she drives. It's so cool! It's been pretty cool. My sleep schedule has been actually really good here. I've been going to bed at like 10 p.m. and waking up at like 7 a.m. Even with the time change, it's actually like really close to how late I was going to bed at home, so like it actually wasn't that bad. So I feel like super energized, like super in the zone in Australia. I really like it. We made a quick pit stop at one of Luke's friend's shops called Keeley Motorsport. Bunch of cool stuff here. Some high horsepower Evos, some built stroker motors. Got a stroker R34. And got Luke's Turbo LS car over here. Some cool hangs. We're all admiring Luke's tiny turbo that he has on his LS. That's really cool color.
But with a bit of bait.
Everybody with their pie cut turned down exhaust over here.
Yeah, Adam's like,
that's the most Australian thing. I think Luke's got your beat though with the big turbo.
It's close.
Yeah.
Just makes more power though.
Does it?
Yeah, I'm 30 pounds.
That's sick.
I need injectors. 750 Australian horsepower.
This is your old car?
my old car, yeah.
Why is the 30E so good?
It's invincible.
I want to drive one.
It's sick.
You get to drive a Toronto.
Yeah? I love Evos.
Ask Russ. You got to ask Russell what happened to the front lip there.
What happened? It's like finding gold in the parking lot. I think I like my 5 better than the 6. I don't know how I feel about like the little lip in the wing, but they're just so cool. I think I like the 5 front bumper better too, but man, I want another one. So many cool Evos. Looks so neat. We don't get any of the cool hatchbacks. Cool shop, bunch of nice people.
Yeah.
So this would be like the generation after the G6 that we got, right? 'Cause I feel like our G6s are like the previous generation from this. I thought we were getting pulled over. Are we getting pulled over?
No,
Oh.
I'm trying to get past.
That's sick. I wonder if that's where the giveaway car color came from. My first ever proper drift car experience. Multiple stories. I bet this place is sick at night. Those go-karts were fun, but man, dude, they beat you up, huh?
Yeah, I'm wet.
What's this place we're going to?
This is Aussie Mexican, but this is actually really good because, well, there's actually a lot of Mexicans at work here. It's not a normal thing for Australia. It's one of your favourite cars. Look.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is this like kind of like Chipotle?
This place? I'm not sure, but I'm just showing you the Maloo. That's Maloo.
That thing's rad. Probably like, what's this dude doing filming me? we're just randomly driving, and then all of a sudden we wound up on this sick mountain road.
Press this one.
What does it do?
There's lots of dip. Anti-slip and dip lock.
So I think tonight, I'm not sure, there's actually a ferry. Where does it? Does the ferry leave out of Melbourne, I think? And we can hop on a ferry there with all the drift cars on the trailers, and then we can actually go out and drive some really rad street drifting roads that are very, very similar to these roads that we're on right now. Yeah. Except they're in Mexico.
Yeah, pretty much just like when you guys go to Mexico.
Yeah, similar, except we can drive over the border where you guys have to take the ferry.
Yeah, but, you know, it's not too hard, it's easy.
Yeah. It's sick though, like when you go from here and you're going to Mexico, you get to like actually drive through Antarctica, and like snow drifting is tight.
Yeah, we're close to Antarctica here, so yeah. The only thing we got to watch out is in this Mexico we're going to has koalas and kangaroos and stuff, and coming in contact with them on you know, these roads is fairly common. So that's one thing we have to sort of watch out for tonight. But yeah, other than that, just watch out for Mexican kangaroos.
So it's about 9 p.m. We're in the streets of Brisbane right now, heading out to catch the last ferry of the night. The ferry ride over to Mexico is pretty long, but what kind of makes it a little bit nicer is the boats that we take the truck and trailer on actually have like nice little cabins that you can sleep in and stuff. So we should be rolling up early in the morning. Luke is taking his 350Z, and we're meeting a bunch of other people out there. Looks like we got a 33. Have you got maybe S14 up there? They're all taking the ferry too.
Yeah.
Oh really? Seems kind of nice to go to Mexico. You're in back there, Adam?
Yeah, I'm good. Is that, Jay?
Oh, is that another 100?
Yeah.
When did
That's
Jay
Chop's 100.
How come no hundreds came out and drove at the real track? Are they only for Mexico?
He's coming out to drive tomorrow and Thursday, I think.
Is this car going to make it back from Mexico in time?
If he makes the ferry in the morning, it'll be good.
Alright.
Unreal, thank you so much.
No problem. Not from. Oh, actually, I took.
Just hit up the last gas station before the ferry. CS14, JZX, and then over there, JZX and R33. Oh, I hope they have room on the ferry for all these cars.
Well, I don't know what it's pronounced like in Mexico, but in Australia it's called a JZX.
Oh yeah.
Oh, mate.
In Mexico they call it Fiesta Coche. That means party car. We haven't even gotten to Mexico yet. That takes a lot of guts.
The ferry is out in the middle of the desert.
Oh, so are we gonna see kangaroos on the way to the ferry?
Well, the ferry goes through the dust, and yeah.
Oh, it's a dust ferry.
There's a high possibility. There's a really good chance you'll see Mexican kangaroos.
Oh, I love them.
Yeah. They're like normal kangaroos, they've just got the hats and usually a bottle of tequila.
I don't know if that's okay to put on my YouTube channel, but I'm probably gonna put it on there. I think Team Kamikaze is rolling up to the ferry loading port. If you can tell, we're pretty much in the middle of nowhere. This is where the entrance to the ferry is. And everybody's getting all their cars ready to be loaded. The ferry's just right over that hill. It's a shame, but because of like legal reasons, we weren't able to actually film on the ferry. So now we actually did get off the ferry. It's kind of late, it's around midnight, but we are now driving up through the mountain roads of Mexico. Yeah, it's pretty cool. We passed the usual spot that they go to when they go to Mexico, and we're checking out a new spot that the Kamikaze team likes to use when they're in Mexico. The 350Z convertible, probably the ultimate street drift car right here. Literally all you can hear is cars. the piss out of this car, man. Oh my god.
She's a bit lazy for a Toyota or something.
I don't know if I've ever been like street drifting on roads like this.
We've done lots of it.
Man.
Cam drives together a lot as well. Sick cunt. I seen you dive in pretty keen. I was like, fuck yeah.
Yeah, fuck that one up.
God, that's terrifying. Oh, dude, you're killing it, man. I don't think I can ride again though.
I tell people, I'm like, you're right to come with me, but I will risk it.
Yeah, no, I felt safe. I just, man, like,
Yeah.
that's something else.
Less handbrake will be better, but I don't know this place either, so.
Dude, you're killing it though. Oh my god.
Right, we'll drive together tomorrow.
Yeah, Luke's handbrake stopped working.
No.
Line split. Here you go.
Yeah, the line's fucked.
I think what terrified me so much is like when I'm not driving and I don't really know the car or the driver that well, like I don't know the surface, I don't know how much side bite there is or how much grip, so I don't know if we're gonna go off or what's gonna happen, but that's crazy. Sick. This is sick. Are we like right in the Manji zone?
Yeah.
Is he okay? We lost a black chaser.
The car, I'm so fucking glad you didn't get the car started. It's really bad. Already hit?
Oh, wow.
Already starting a part out.
Yeah. Oh my god.
So Pete.
Yeah.
Really, really lucky he's okay. So he went right into this tree over here.
Why the car went.
This thing's totaled.
Lucky boy, Chop.
Yeah, well, I just saw it, I was going to get head on, so I was like, fuck it, just try it. Wash it. That's Australia drifting for you.
It's a good thing you're okay, man.
The big tree
That sucks.
down there. And it's very...
Dang, the glass shattered too, huh?
Well, this one's obviously shattered in.
Oh, I didn't even realize that.
Look inside. Shattered in, obviously.
Good thing no airbag went off, right? What?
Stem.
Oh my
Or his
god.
window lights.
That must have been from his hand or something.
Chop. Where's your hands?
Are your wrists okay?
How's your hands?
Yeah, your stock broke on the steering wheel.
Let's get these ramps down and get
The indicator and stuff. Look at this. On your wipers on this side, you snapped your stem.
Oh, not the S2 lights.
I literally didn't even think of the fact that like literally 2 laps before that's exactly where I was sitting.
That's crazy. I can't
And I was predicting everyone was gonna call me a wimp for saying I was scared. Out.
Yeah, we're good this side as well. Someone was holding it like me. I was like, oh,
Stuff like this really sucks, but like it's kind of inevitable, especially when you're driving and stuff like this at night. He's a really good driver, but like when you're pushing the limits, it's kind of inevitable and it sucks, but he's safe. Got his car out of here, so at the end of the day, it is just a car.
driver's side? Huh? Right, they had an airbag. See that? On the driver's side, airbag.
You really think that a passenger would have been dead from hitting the tree?
Well, just because see the bar here
Oh, so the head might have gone through like the...
would go, yeah. There's a good chance, like,
Sideswiped it, like
dude, people have died from hitting their head on roll cages, yeah?
Yeah,
That's why
it's true. How fast were you going when this happened?
Speedo.
About 100.
Really?
Wasn't slowing down.
Yeah, that was downhill, huh?
Downhill was the best. But
Yeah.
You gotta stay on the road.
Dude, how fast did you enter when you got back into Z after the handbrake was fixed? You were booking it.
It washed up there and I held it in.
Seems like it's a bit of an unlucky day, huh?
It's carnage.
We'll just take some nuts off the car. There's nothing wrong.
Well, at least it's a bent one.
What
They just
happened?
weren't done up. They're not.
Did the wheel just come off?
No one must have done that wheel up.
Luke was skidding like a flat out.
No, I was saying it was a good thing you probably entered in that quarter at 160. If the wheel fell off then.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize it was fucking...
Yeah, so someone dropped Luke's wheel and now it's down there in a swamp. And they're trying to retrieve it. Oh, the battery's about to die. Nothing else exciting can happen.
When you said